When you are working with me, you can expect a hands-on boutique-style service. You, the customer, comes first.
I found that from start to finish, it was fantastic. She was extremely professional, extremely motivated, and I found that I could really trust her with my best interest. It was nice to have someone like Jenna to kind of take over the entire process. I could trust her 100% with all of my housing needs.
I am in the know of the best condo buildings to purchase in Toronto. Wondering what are the hottest neighborhoods to purchase a home in? Which neighborhoods have the best value? I have that information at my fingertips. I make sure my clients don't buy the wrong home.
Jenna was very easy to work with. Whenever we wanted to view a home, she'd be messaging us right away, showing us the house that night, if not the next day. And if we wanted to put in an offer, she did it right away.
And that really helped us get that edge. Jenna knew what we wanted before we even knew it. She kept us calm when we were stressed. She really made us feel like we could achieve what we wanted with her as our realtor. She's someone who works to suit your schedule. It was never a question of if or when she'd get back to us. It was always immediate.
She was very proactive with what she did. She got us what we wanted, when we wanted, and it worked out great.
Yeah, I don't think we would have got the home we wanted without Jenna's knowledge of the market and how we had to act in order to get that home.
There is nothing worse than not knowing what's happening. When you are selling your home with the Chiarelli team, I am committed to providing you a weekly meeting for formal updates on showings, feedback, marketing activity, and competition. I keep you in the know. I'm obsessed with digital marketing, gorgeous design, and killer photography, HD videos, and delivering financially rewarding experiences for my buyers and sellers. I sell homes, I buy homes. I build relationships, I roll up my sleeves. I problem solve, I masterfully negotiate, I scrutinize floor plans, I obsess over prices, market values, and the newest, hottest listings that I can share with my clients.